Hi people, it's Kato here, Gracepreneur, the place for entrepreneurship and sales and business training, and especially for people that really believe that God is a good God and that we can cooperate with grace and bring God into the picture. Now, people, I want to talk to you about affiliate marketing and actually this channel is mostly about affiliate marketing. Now, I want to document my journey. As you know, I have a project here monthly. I say I want to earn $5,000 consistently. So I want to showcase my journey and hopefully it will be beneficial for you. I believe that if you are a business person, maybe you sell stuff on the internet, maybe you are an aspiring entrepreneur, you can learn a lot. I will show you the good things, the bad things, strategies, how I market, how I think, and actually everything about how I build my brand. So today I want to talk to you about two things. So first, what is affiliate marketing and why it's my favorite business model. So what is affiliate marketing, people? It is basically that you sell a product and service and you connect other people to that product and service. So it's not your own, obviously, but you are like a middleman. Okay, so there are a lot of needs there out into the market. There are a lot of wants. So many people, they go in a direction and you are like a pointer. So you do not have your own products, but you partner up, you collaborate with other brands and other companies. And when you sell a product and a service, you will have a percentage of that. Basically that's what it is. So there are hundreds, there are thousands of brands out there and they want to collaborate with you. They want to have partners like you and me so they can sell their stuff out there. Now, why? Why do I choose affiliate marketing? Because obviously there are so many things you can do on the internet. There are so many models to choose. You have the drop shipping model, you have networking model, marketing, you can do your own products and services. So why affiliate marketing? First of all, it's a proven business model. It's solid. It has been there for a long time. And, many brands, most brands actually, big brands in many niches, they do this all over the world. So it's a global business model. And historically, it has been there for many, many years. And it generates a lot of money, actually. So if you want to earn a lot of money, if you want to build something that will be a long-term business, this is really a good model. And it's simple. It's not something, very complicated. It's easy to understand. And especially if you are in the beginning, let's say you have pivot to the internet, you want to build a business on the internet, affiliate marketing, in my opinion, is a very good way, a very good choice. Now, number two, it's $1 billion industry. So number one, it's a simple, solid model. Number two, it's $1 billion industry. All over the world today, there are big companies, big brands in all kinds of niches, all kinds of markets that have marketing, affiliate marketing programs. And as an entrepreneur, as a business person, you have the chance to cooperate, to partner up and connect with these companies. So already, people, there are so much money in this industry. And the good thing is that it's not just one industry, but I think there are hundreds of industries actually. And then it depends on what is your interest, what your knowledge look like, and your experience, and what you really want to sell out there. And you can really pick and choose, and you can find your area of expertise. So that was number 2, is a $1 billion company. Number 3 is that, you do not need to have so much startup capital. In many businesses, you need hundreds of thousands of dollars. You need maybe millions. You need a lot of money in just the startup capital. And then you have to hire people. You need a place. You need an office. You need all kinds of things in order for you to actually do your thing out there. But when it comes to being an affiliate entrepreneur, you can do this with just a little bit of money. You need money though. There are some people out there and they propagate a message that you do not need money in order to start your thing and start your marketing business. I don't believe in that. You need some seed money, I say. You need to have your platform, your hub. You need to have your autoresponders and tools and things you need from the get-go. But it's not so much. But you should set aside some seed money before you start. And if you do not have that capital, you can work aside, you can spare some money, and then you can start after a time. But be assured that you need some money, but you do not need millions though. Number 4, it allows me, really, affiliate marketing allows me to build an independent business on the internet. And I want to be independent. I do not want to be dependent on other people, other companies, other products and services. I want to be independent. I want to have my own thing, my own business, my own company. And you should think really the same way. You do not want to be in the mercy of other people. There are so many changes now in the world, in the marketplace. Things they really change in a rapid way, and especially now with COVID-19, all the virus, the downturn on the global scale when it comes to the economics, all of these things you have to take into consideration. You have to think through and be sure that you do your real deal business. And affiliate marketing allows you to build something solid, something long-term. But you have to do it the right way though. There are people out there and they propagate a message that you do not need knowledge, you do not need to be an entrepreneur. You can just put a link out there and have some traffic to that link, and that you will make a lot of money. This is something that will not work, people. I've tried that. It will not work at all. You will actually lose money on that model. So you have to do it the right way. But remember that affiliate marketing, it really allows you to build a real deal business, and it allows you to be independent. And that is very, very important, people, in these days. You want to be independent, and you will not just be a marketer. You need to think that you're a business person, you are a company owner. You want to build something that is not just here today and it's gone tomorrow. You want to think long term. You want to think step by step. And affiliate marketing allows you to do that. A wonderful thing, this is number 5, a wonderful thing is that affiliate marketing allows you to be the go-to person in the market. Let's say that you love fishing, you love, going out there into fishing trips, you love the equipment, fishing rods, different kind of things, all kinds of gadgets. You just love that. You have a lot of knowledge about that, experience about that. What you can do is that you can partner up with best companies and you can be the go-to person, meaning that you can build a company around your knowledge, around the experience, and you can point other people while you are building your thing. You can point people to good products and services. You are doing your thing anyway. You go out there, you are fishing, maybe fly fishing, whatever you do, and you document it, you have videos, and people, they'll watch, and they will approach you as the person that has the knowledge, that has the experience. And when you collaborate, when you point people to different kind of products and services, people will buy that. Let's say that you are into technology, you're an Apple guy, let's say you love Apple products. You can do reviews, you can be the best of the best out there. You just know everything about phones, you know everything about different kinds of products when it comes to the Apple company, and you can showcase that. You can build around that. Maybe there is a book, maybe there is special knowledge, maybe you're a music person, let's say you're a singer. You can showcase your journey, your product, who you are. You can build singing club. You can build around your talents, your gift, and you can point people to other companies. Do you understand what I mean? So what are your hobbies? What are your interests? Let's say you're a business guy, okay, or girl. You love business, you love entrepreneurship, and you want people, and I'm one of these people. You want people to grow, or first and foremost to start and grow and scale their business. You want people maybe to start their business online. You want to open their eyes. You can talk about that. You can build your company around that. And you can help and serve thousands of people doing that, and you can point people to the best products, world-class products out there that people will find out into the market. So this is the way to go, people, when it comes to affiliate marketing. It's beautiful. It allows you to do these things. It allows you to grow yourself as a person, as a brand, to build a knowledge base, and you can serve thousands of people while you are earning good quality money. That was number 5. Number 6. A beautiful thing, a good thing really, is that you can leverage other people's world-class products and services. You can leverage knowledge. You can leverage other people's wisdom. Maybe, because here is the thing, let's say you are starting out there, okay, you pivot, you go out there into the internet, and it's not easy to build your own products, your own services. You need all kinds of knowledge, all kinds of equipment, and you need platforms, you need all kinds of, when it comes to the shipping thing. And pretty fast you find out it could be very expensive. So the easiest way then, in my thinking, is to collaborate with people that already have good quality products that you love. products that you really have. You have these products yourself, and you know them in and out, and you know what they do for you, and you can be a middleman. Affiliate marketing allows you to associate with other top brands and top companies out there. And people, number 7, it allows you to build a real deal business. And this is very important. I want to stress this. Remember, you are an entrepreneur, you're building something for the future. You're not just a marketer. You're not just a person that have a link and you want to earn a buck, a $2 or $10 or something. You want to build your empire. You want to build something great for the future. You want to build step by step, and you want to be here for many years. Do not think that, that you will earn hundreds of thousands of dollars or millions of dollars tomorrow just to be, this guy or gal that have this shallow thinking, or, with just an affiliate link. You need to build an actual business. You need to build a company. You need to look at yourself as a person, as a company owner, and you have to do it solid, people. Again, this is our time. Let us build something great out there on the marketplace. I believe that we together here we could build hundreds of quality businesses. And I'm looking forward, people, to hang out with you. If this is of value, please send this video to other people. Hit the button so you know that there will be new videos coming. Subscribe to the channel. Give some comments and give a thumb up. In that way, we really can propagate this message, and more people, they will build great businesses out there on the internet. Again, this is our time. I see you. Bye.